loves these kits from Copernicus Toys. This one is the glowing putty gels and slime kit. Yeah, it comes with everything you need, including these little bags to store your... We didn't realize that. We put ours in our own Ziploc bag, but it comes with these little Ziplocs to put your slime in. It's really cool. What is it?
Science.
Science? You love science?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sit back. Sit back. Put your goggles on. CopernicusToys.com glowing putty gels and slime kit. Okay? Alright, here we go. Take the vial of glow powder and hold it near a light for a minute. Alright, there's the vial of glow powder near the light for a minute. Alright.
I can do it.
Repeat experiment 1, but this time you can make it glow in the dark. Add a teaspoon of the white glue in the water just like you did in experiment 1, but this time add a small scoop of glow powder to the glue. So let's go back to experiment 1. We're using this one. Wait, first we're going to put water. Here. Squirt water in the spoon. Okay. That's great. That's good. Now wait. Now let's put the glue in the spoon. Alright, go ahead. Put the glue in the spoon. More. Alright, that's enough. Close it up now. That's a good girl. You're clever. This way. There we go. Now put it over there. Put it over there. Okay, great. Now here we go. Here's the glue going into the water. And you please start stirring, okay? Can you stir? Alright, there we go.
Just cut you.
Now, keep stirring. Now, Mommy's going to give me the glow-in-the-dark powder. How much do we need to put in there? 1 small scoop of glow powder. Keep stirring, but don't splatter it, okay? Remember not to splatter, alright?
Slow.
Yeah, slow. Keep stirring. Go, stir. Keep stirring, Marie. Keep stirring. All right. Go ahead, keep stirring. Let's see, can I help you stir a little bit? Let me do some of the stirring, okay?
And some glue powder sticked onto the stick.
I know.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, okay, I get it. Let's get that off and let's get that back into the glue. There we go. Thanks for pointing that out. Now, we're going to add the borax solution.
Mix.
You go ahead. You go ahead and mix. Go ahead.
Oh, I wish I could put that.
Go ahead, keep stirring.
Mix.
Come on, mix.
Quickly before.
Keep mixing. There you go.
Continue?
Yep, keep going. Keep going. Don't stop mixing. Come on. Gently mixing, but fast. Keep going.
It's flat in the water.
Oops. It's a good thing you had your safety goggles on. Don't worry. Good thing. You might have got borax in your eyes. See? That's why we wear safety goggles. Tell Derek. Derek, you got to wear safety goggles.
Mama, I got spill on my glasses and
Yeah.
it ran and you have to wear glasses.
Yeah. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep mixing it. Can I do some?
Sure.
Thanks.
Just pleaded you, because I would you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You give presents to me.
Yeah? That's very sweet. You're not only super intelligent, but you're also very sweet and kind.
My turn.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you lost it.
I lost my turn. All right, keep going. Keep going.
So the wire's gone.
Yeah, we may need a little bit more borax. Should I add more borax solution? You're like in my face. Let me drip some in there. Go. Stir it up. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up.
That's how we won. I love that song.
I don't sing very well. Do you want me to pull it up on YouTube and you can listen to it? Stir it up. Oh, you got a good glob there. Keep going. Oh, look at that. We got a good batch now. Maybe Mommy's ready to work it. Ooh,
Okay.
Go ahead. Get some more. There's more in there. Keep stirring that part.
Oh.
Honey, you're pointing the camera up here.
Grab everything from the box.
Keep moving it. Work it. There you go. Stir it up. Uh-oh. Mommy's the expert slimer.
Go wash your hands.
Go wash your hands and come back real quick before the song's over. Go ahead. Quickly. Look at that. Look at that. Mommy's great with slime.
Go wash your hands.
Well, if she rolls it like that, it'll clean her hands, right?
Roll
Roll it in your hands. It'll clean your hands. Go ahead. Roll it like Mommy did, like it's an egg.
Maybe go to the closet and see if it glows.
Come on, let's go see if it glows in the closet. Marie, come on. Let's go to the closet. Come on, let's go to the closet. Quick, come here. Come on. Go in the closet. Go inside. Does it glow in the dark? Yeah, look at that. It glows in the dark. Let's close the door. Look how it glows. Oh, that is cool. Are you getting scared? Okay, let's go back to Mommy and tell Mommy that it glowed in the dark. Psst.